So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to mute message on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Instagram. Now you should have to tap on message icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it and see, this is the inbox of your message. Now to mute a message you should have to tap on message like this. Then you can see the option of mute message, so tap on it. Then you will see option for how much time or how many time you want to mute this chat. So I'm tapping on until I change it. So tap on it. Now see, this message has successfully muted on Instagram, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.